Python clock program examples, created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Python clock functions allow you to program the actual time in real time. Python clock functions work internally, in sync with the Windows clock. With Python clock functions, you can set the hour, minute, second, month, week, day and date. See Python clock function prefix descriptions below. Save the Python file as Python clock, and then double-click the Python files icon to see the Python clock in action, as shown in the Python program example. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.